Today, we're going to be talking about another tempered glass. But guys, look at this one right here. Now, I know, okay, for a fact, I know if you guys own one of these, all right, you see how the screen is all dirty and stuff like that? But I'll show you how to clean that. But if you own one of these, you are going to want to have one of these. Now, let's go ahead and let's check this out. Now, the reason why you're going to want to clean this out, this one, as a matter of fact, as you can see right here, this one already has a temper glass on it. But the first thing that you're going to want to do with a microfiber cloth like this, you're going to want to wipe it down. You don't need to put any type of a spray or anything like that. You want to wipe it down, all right? Once you wipe it down well, you want to go ahead and get this right here, which is your temper glass. Now, sometimes you'll find them like this. You know, sometimes they'll have like a little glare on them or whatever. Don't worry about that, because this, you're going to peel it off. Once you peel it off, once you peel it back, you see that this is the thin film. This is the actual glass. As you can see, this is actual glass for the Nintendo Switch. This is a Nintendo Switch right here. I guess it's like a special edition one. I'm not sure. But you want to have a tempered glass. This is how it's going to fit right here. As you can see, this is how it's going to fit right there. You see? Put it together like that. I didn't even go ahead and bother to put on the other glove. I usually put gloves. This was just a quick video that I thought that I should create, because I have a lot of customers that I see that they worry about. Let me flip this around. I have a lot of customers that they worry about their phones, and they have kids all of the time running around with these and not having them protected. They have a case, but they don't have a temper glass. And if one of these falls down face forward, oh, it's not gonna be a pretty picture. So once you install your temper glass onto your Nintendo Switch, you're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure that you smooth it out like this, so that there won't be any air bubbles. Some people say that you could use like a credit card, you know, to like make sure that there's no air bubbles. But I personally don't really use credit cards onto the screen of the temper glass. What I usually do is just, I don't know, I guess you could say massage it down like this all the way to the ends, to the corners. And then you make sure that it's clear. And then you can see right here, as you can see, it's already placed correctly. And also, this is one cool thing about the Nintendo Switch. It has a Type-C charge cable. The Type-C charge cable is something like this. Well, I have a lot of them right here, but it's something like this. As you can see, this is a Type-C charge cable. This is a rapid charge cable. You put it in like that, and that's the charger. You see, these chargers are very good. They're more effective than the micro USB chargers, which are the Android chargers. Because the Android chargers, what happens is that they're 5 pins. So they have like 5 little pins. And then the 2 pins from the end, from placing it in and out, in and out, in and out so much, they start to get a little bit dull. As from the difference from this one, you could see it doesn't have any pin on the ends. You just put it in straight like that, and it's good to go. All right, guys, so don't say I didn't warn you guys. If you guys carry one of these right here, the Nintendo Switch, this video has been brought into you by Best Deal Shop. Yes, I'm right here at my house in my library where I make all my videos, guys. Coming to your screen telling you guys, protect. Yes, protect your Nintendo Switch today. Okay? It's never too late until when it falls, bah, drops, and you have a cracked screen. Don't let that happen. You could get yours today with us. Best Deal Shop out.